Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to copy filtered rows to another sheet using C# code in Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. In today's video, we are going to work with this data. So here what we will do is we will apply filter based on role in company, and we will choose analyst here and then click on OK. So whatever data we find here, that we will copy along with the header and paste it into another sheet, right? After copying the data to another sheet, we will remove the filter from here, right? Now we will go back to Power Automate Desktop. In Power Automate Desktop, if you want to work with the C# code, you need to use the run.NET script action, which is available under the scripting category. And if you want to work with the Excel file, in that case, you need to include the Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel library. Apart from that, you need to include certain DLL files as well. Interop.Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.dll and system.data.datasetextensions.dll. So these are the two files which needs to be included in the run.NET script action to work with the Excel file. As you can see, these two files are available in the D drive and .NET packages folder. So I will include that folder in the references to be loaded. I will click on this folder. Then from here I will choose D drive and then .NET packages. I will just click on OK. So first of all, what we will do is we will create an object of Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.application. I will name it as Excel app equals to new. Again, I'll paste it dot application bracket and semicolon. Now we will set the visible property to true so that you can see the application on your machine. After that, we will create an object of the workbook. Excel app dot workbooks dot open. Here I will specify the file path, and before double quotes I'll place @sign. I have pasted the file path, semicolon. Now what I will do is I will create an object of the worksheet. So I will say worksheet ws equals to workbook.sheets, and here I will specify the index of the worksheet. Before this, I will do the typecasting. So I will just copy Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.worksheet, and here I will put the semicolon, right? Now it's the time to apply the filter. So I will just use worksheet dot use range dot auto filter. And first parameter is where I'll specify the index of the column. So I'll say 4 because role in company on the 4th index. Then I will specify the value, so which is analyst, using which we want to apply the filter. And then here I will use Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel dot Excel auto filter operator dot Excel filter values, and then semicolon. After this, what we will do is we will copy the filtered rows, right? To copy the filtered rows, what I will do is I will create an object of range. So I will say dot range, and I will name this variable as visible cells equals to worksheet.useRange.special cells, and then in the bracket we will specify Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel.Excel cell type .Excel cell type visible, and then we will put a semicolon here, right? After this, what we will do is we will use this visible cells dot copy function to copy this data. Now we need to create a new worksheet. So I will use worksheet ws destination equals to, and then here I will just use this typecasting workbook dot worksheets dot add, right? So now it will add a new worksheet here. Now to paste the data, I will use worksheet destination dot range. In the square bracket, I will specify a1 dot paste special. In the bracket, I will specify Microsoft.Office.Interop.Excel paste type.Excel paste all semicolon, and then I will remove the filter from worksheet 1, which is worksheet dot auto filter mode equals to false semicolon. Now I will click on save and then I will run the bot. Here you can see that bot has been able to apply filter and pasted the data on the new sheet, right? And if you notice on the sheet 1, these are the two rows which have been copied, right? And along with the header, right? Now if you want to just copy the filtered rows without the header, you can use worksheet.userange.offset. In the square bracket, I'll specify 1, which means we have to remove the first row, and then comma 0, which means no column will be excluded. And then I will click on save and I will run the bot. Here you can see that the data was copied and pasted in the sheet 2 without header, right? So this is how you can copy the filtered rows and paste it into another sheet, including and excluding the header. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.